You know my name? Do you know my name? Listen, my name is Ifoma. Ifoma. Like, Ifoma. Good thing. Good thing. No? Good thing.
Everywhere I go, they call me Cash Madam. Say me fresh and clean, call me Cash Madam. Anything you know I got it. Cash Madam, baby, Cash Madam, Cash Madam. V-money.
Come on, glow, G, glow, honey. Come and glow with me. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I did this wig over here. Yes, I'm back with another video, as I said. Okay, video by video every time. Okay, my channel is going to be filled of videos this time. Okay, so I did this wig with an X-Pression hair, which I don't remember the name right now. I'm going to keep it right here, and also I'm going to leave the name down below and the link where you can get this hair. This hair was sent to me for a long time ago. I think it was from Cupid Hair. I'm not really sure, but I think, because I have many hairs from Cupid Hair that I've not used before. So yeah, this video is very detailed. Do you guys like purple in me? Because I do. So I did this purple because I love purple color, as you guys can see. Look at how cute this is. Like, come on. I'm going to leave the information about this down below, and also my lashes from DILIAS brand down below. Okay, so if you want to know how I did this cute wig, just keep watching.
2 years since I met you, 1 year dating now. I'm ready for forever. Everybody gotta know you. Darling, you don't know, say me, I'm in the plan to marry you. Not be only date, oh, I've been the plan, baby, to wifey you. Shana, you have been there, hold me down when it I buy you no day. Man, jiggy chair play. I can't let you go, baby, no way. Baby, makatakwa, and if no be you, manamang petakwa. They laughing at me, mahamang watakwa. I go right for you, I go high for you, oh. Maki maramane somu, madi bebe go. Onyo bodona ndezi no mo. Onyo bonaga pokwa giwunye mo. Onyo bodona ndezi no mo. Onyo bonaga mokwa no monakio. I go right for you, I feel right for you, oh. Maki maramane somu, madi bebe go. 2 years since I met you, 1 year dating now. I'm ready for forever. Everybody gotta know you. Darling, you don't know, say me, I'm in the plan to marry you, oh. Not be only date, oh, I've been the plan, baby, to wifey you, oh. Shana, you have been there, hold me down when did I buy you no day. Man, jiggy chair play. I can't let you go, baby, no way. Baby, makatakwa, and if no be you, manamang petakwa. They laughing at me, mahamang watakwa. I go right for you, I go high for you, oh. Maki maramane somu, madi bebe go. Onyo bodona ndezi no mo. Onyo bonaga pokwa giwunye mo. Onyo bodona ndezi no mo. Onyo bonaga mokwa no monakio. I go right for you, I feel right for you, oh. Maki maramane somu, madi bebe go. 2 years since I met you, 1 year dating now. I'm ready for forever. Everybody gotta know you. Darling, you don't know, say me, I'm in the plan to marry you. Oh. No be only date, oh, I'm in the plan, baby, to wifey you. Oh. Shana, you have been there, hold me down when did I buy you no day. Man, jiggy chair play. I can't let you go, baby, no way. Baby, makatakwa, and if no be you, manamang petakwa. They laughing at me, mahamang watakwa. I go right for you, I go high for you. Oh, maki maramane so, madi baby go. On your bodona, ndezi no more. On your bonaga, pokwagi wunye mo. No bodona, ndezi no more. On your bonaga, pokwano monakio. I go right for you, I feel right for you. Oh, maki maramane so, madi baby go. 2 years since I met you, 1 year dating now. I'm ready for forever. Everybody gotta know you. Darling, you don't know, say me, I'm in the plan to marry you. Oh. No be only date, oh, I'm in the plan, baby, to wifey you. Oh.
If you like this video and this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like, subscribe right there, click the bell button over there, and share. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Peace.
Shana, you have been there, hold me down when did I buy you no day.
Like, look at how cute I am today. Like, come on, I'm cute, period. I'm cute, okay? How do they say cute? Why I'm the one, okay? You know, my name is Ifoma, so Ifoma, why they match, so call me that. Cheregodu Naifa ne Nega do beauty. Like, come on, see beauty now. See beauty. I know you like this wig. I know you like this wig because this wig is popping. You know what I'm saying? Like, when you know that something is popping, it's popping, like it's really popping, you know. Okay, so this wig over here is popping. Forget, you cannot even tell me anything about this wig right now because I know you love it. You can't tell me nothing. Sorry, I'm looking at my neighbors because they're looking at me. So yeah, basically that's it. Not the banging, oh, hey, not the banging, the banging, oh, not the bang beat, beat. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, so that's it. I'm going because I have to do another video right now. Yeah, I have to do another video, so I need to remove all this makeup and ish, go to the other video and start all over again. So yeah, because as you guys have noticed, my makeup is getting different these days. So like, have you guys observed that? Tell me you have. I know you have. So facts, honey. Facts. I'm cute. You know when you are cute and you don't need anybody to tell you that you are cute, because you know that you are cute, even though people tell you you are cute, but you know that you're cute on your own. So that's what is going on. I'm cute, okay? Simple. You can call me extra, I don't care, but I'm cute. Okay? Feel cute because you're cute. All of us are cute. I'm cute. You cute? Cuteness overload. Cute. Why are you looking at me like that? Huh? You're looking at your mommy?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, I'm going. I have to do papilla. So, if you know what papilla is, you know. Papilla. Peace. Bye.
Man jiggy chair play. I can't let you go, baby, no way. Baby makatakwa, and if no be you, man amang petakwa. They laughing at me, my hamang watakwa. I go right